Hello everyone, this is Devika Kiran, faculty of BIGI Shining Stars. Hope you all are doing good during this pandemic situation. I'm going to show you how to make a cute little bunny finger puppet which children love to play with. Materials required for this is a tissue paper, orange sketch, black pen and a glue. Now let's get started. What we need to do is fold the tissue into two halves. Just like this into two halves. Now we're gonna fold it in the middle crosswise, just like this. One fold from the right and one fold from the left, and this is how it looks. Now we are going to fold it again on the right. Make sure you just press the edges, and then on the left. Press the edges. Now this looks like a square. Now we're going to do another folding towards the middle on the right and then on the left. Yes, this looks like a kite shape. Now from the top, we're going to fold this top part, which is going to look like a triangle. Now next what we're going to do is just turn it around towards the back, and it looks like this. With the help of glue, come stick the edges. Yes, our cute little bunny is ready. Now next step is just widen a bit in the middle, which looks like a face, and then we're going to flap this open, which is the ears. To make it much beautiful, with the help of pen, you're going to draw eyes, nose and mouth. And then with orange sketch, two dots. And then on the ear, we're just going to draw 3 lines so that it looks a little bright. As you see, a cute little bunny finger puppet is ready. Hope you all liked it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.